Let's take this out. I took the jump, motherfucker.
Number one. Still got the belt.
You didn't take the jump. I almost wrecked.
It wasn't a jump to the
Do you know how to turn on skis?
Yeah.
Could you please put some turns in your ski?
Okay.
Because that is not a racetrack, and a lot of beginners come down there.
Okay.
And you were totally out of control. If I'd have turned quick, you'd have nailed me.
Yeah, I was keeping an eye on you.
More turns.
Okay. I got you.
Try your waddling down there.
Okay.
You know what that is?
Waddling?
Waddling?
Going back and forth?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Quickies like this. It's a great place to practice that.
Okay.
That'd be wonderful. Thank you so much.
All right.
Appreciate it.
No problem. Where's Jay?
Will you guys get the one down here?
What's that?
Will you get the one down here for us?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. That would be lovely.
Those might be getting in trouble. Huh?
I beat you down here by 10 seconds, didn't say nothing to me. Because I was in control.
Look, I was in complete control.
I was right behind you, man. I peeled out at one part, took a turn, and just turn back.
Look, I'm not going to say nothing, but she got her head up her ass. Tell me I didn't have out of control.
Yeah, it's still recording.
I know. Had to get the whole thing on tape.
Speech?
Yeah. I was not out of control. I was scared. I was just going fast, that's all.
The experts are on.
I get really
That's
dumb.
right.
She got pissed because I passed her.